Hi everyone, it's a giveaway and one lucky winner is going to win all the things I'm going to show you today. Now this giveaway starts on Saturday, July 28th, 2018. It only goes for 1 week and the last day that you can enter is, check my cheat sheet, Friday, August 3rd, 2018. Now this is open internationally and at the end I'll tell you how to enter and how the winner will be contacted. All right, now let's get started. I'm so excited to give these things away and just want to thank everybody who watches my channel and comments and clicks the like button, the little thumbs up, and yeah, so I enjoy doing giveaways. All right, so let's get started. I do have most of these things, so I will be demoing. So the first, it's actually in the box, is the, I gotta say it right, the Tarte Lip Crayon, and the color is in Boho. So I'm wearing this today. This is mine. And I also took a picture. I never wear it by itself, but I did take a picture of me just wearing this with no other lip color or gloss on top, just so you can see what it looks like by itself. You know, lip pencils, they can be kind of dry. So right now I'm actually wearing a gloss, a fairly clear gloss on top of it. So that's what it looks like by itself. But you can always, usually I wear it under lipstick and it just makes the whole lip color last for a very long time, for several hours, even through eating lunch. So I love this. This is such a nice color. It is an automatic, you know, oh, there's a dog. All right, so that's the Tarte. Now the second thing is the Too Faced Melted, I gotta say this right, Too Faced Liquefied Matte, they do say melted and then they don't put it in their name, long wear lipstick, and the color called Child Star. Now here's the thing about this line from Too Faced. I noticed that the colors come in 3 groups. One group is very beige, lots and lots of beige. And a second group is very, very bright colors. And then the third is very, very dark colors. And there's nothing in between. Now, I had gotten one of their bright colors a while back. This is how bright my other one was. But this is Child Star, and I do have it. So I want to show you what it looks like by itself, and then I'm going to show you another way to wear it that I found works really well. All right, so I'm going to clear off my lips and start over off camera, and we'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like by itself. All right, now my lips are cleaned off. I have my version, not the winner's version. You can see it's very beige. It goes on nicely, but it's very, very nude color and very beige. All right, so now I'm going to clean this off and I'm going to show you a different way to wear it. If you have a really bright lipstick and you know, you used to like it and now you don't because it's just too bright, you can put the bright lipstick on first and then put this on over it. So let me show you that next. Okay, I'm back. So now I have an older lipstick. It's Zinnia by L'Oreal. I don't even know if they make this anymore, but look how bright that is. All right, let's put that on first. All right. So this is actually a creamy lipstick, but if you have one that's matte, that's really bright, this would be a way to manage the brightness. So now I'm going to put this Too Faced on top. Okay, you gotta mush it together to get all the colors to blend. All right, so you see how it toned down that bright color, and now I've got this really nice color, and I can tell you this is going to last me almost all day. I like to reapply lipstick after lunch and after dinner, but yeah, and then I might even wipe this off just a little bit just to get that color off. But that's another way that I found that I can use this without looking too beige. So very nice. I love this. So I think the winner, this is the winners. I think the winner will like this a lot. All right, now the third thing that's in this package is my favorite, Benefit Roller Lash. This is the mini. I'm not wearing it today because I'm trying something else, but I just absolutely love this mascara. It's, my lashes used to be shorter, then I started using Care Pros to make my lashes longer, but whether my lashes were shorter or longer, this became my friend. It's just a fabulous, easy to apply. I don't get it on my skin like other mascaras. Great mascara. I think you're going to love this. All right, now dun 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 dun. One of the major things in this giveaway is the Urban Decay Naked Ultimate Basics, the matte eyeshadow palette, and I have demoed mine before in other, hang on, I'm opening it and I don't want to show you the mirror. So a lot of beautiful colors in this. I've done 2 other videos where in one of the videos I showed a cool color eye look, and in another one I did a warm color eye look, and I'll link those videos in case you want to see the tutorials that I did. You'll either see a card come up in the upper right hand corner, and also at the end of the video I'll link those as well on the right side of the screen. So these are beautiful. I'm wearing them today. Let's see, I'm wearing this on my lid, this one on the brow bone. Then in the transition shade I have this one here, and then I mix these two to go into the crease. And then in the very outer corner I use first some of this darker brown, and then I use just a little bit of the blue just in the very outer corner. With my eyes, I can get, if I put too much dark in the outer corner, it can just look really messy on me. But yeah, so it's kind of a mixture of the warm and the cool today. So that's what I did. I think the winner is really going to love this. I'm loving matte eyeshadows as I get older, and I just think whoever wins this is really going to like it. Okay. Last couple things, I did get a couple samples. The first is the Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. I haven't used this. I haven't tried one. It's just in here. And so the winner will get that. And then the last thing is another sampler I got. It's the Urban Decay Vice Lipstick Sampler. I did open it up just so I could see it. So look at this. All these colors that the winner will get, just a sample. How fun is that? So yeah, so this is, other than opening it up to look at it, it has not been opened. All right, so here's the entry, how you're going to do it. All right, so like I said, the first day to enter is the day that this video goes live, which is Saturday, July 28th, 2018. The last day to enter is Friday, August 3rd, 2018. And this is how you enter. Number 1, subscribe to my channel. If you haven't done that, the subscribe button will be red. If you've already subscribed, it'll be gray and say subscribed, past tense. All right, and then what you need to do is go below the video and write a comment just saying you'd like to be entered in the giveaway. That's all. And okay, 1 entry per person. Entering, you know, making 2 comments won't enter you twice. And like I said, this is open internationally. So all you have to tell me is that you'd like to be entered. And this is what's going to happen. So last day to enter, like I said, is Friday, August 3rd. And then on Saturday, August 4th, the winner will be notified. And the way I'll notify you is I will reply to your comment below. And what happens is when someone replies to your comment on YouTube, you will get an email from YouTube telling you someone has replied to your comment. And you need to read that and then follow the instructions in there. I'll actually be asking you to send me an email. But so, by the way, don't put your email address. I can't believe how many people put their email address in the comment. Don't do that. Just write a comment. Okay, so that means on Saturday, August 4th, or if you're on the other side of the world from the United States, Sunday, August 5th, you need to check your email. A lot of people don't check their email on the weekend. And the winner will only have 72 hours, which is 3 days, to reply. So you don't want to miss the email. So check your email on Saturday. Even if you're in the US, check it Saturday morning, August 4th. If you're in, let's say, European countries or the Middle East, check Saturday afternoon into Saturday evening. If you're in Asia, you want to check on Sunday morning to see if you have an email from YouTube telling you that you have a reply to your comment. I say this so many times in these giveaway videos because so many people don't check their email. All right. And then, you know, once you the winner follows those instructions, we'll work out shipping. And that's it. That's all. So just thank you so much to everybody who watches my videos, who makes comments. I know I don't do all makeup videos because I'm more of a how to do stuff lifestyle kind of channel. And I know these videos on the giveaways aren't evergreen, but they're fun to do, and it's always fun for somebody to win. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe like I asked if you want to join, and check out some of my other videos. You can click one of the images on the right side of your screen over there to see how I did the tutorials on the Urban Decay matte eyeshadows, or you can mouse over the upper right hand corner up there, and when you mouse over, the little eye appears, and when you click that little eye, some other videos appear that you might like to watch. Thanks for watching. Bye.